Welcome to PAYS POS. Today, we're introducing a powerful feature, tokenization. What is tokenization? It means saving a customer's card securely, so the next time they return, you won't need their physical card. Payment becomes seamless and faster. Let's see how it works. First, you need to save the customer's credit card. Click on the three lines in the top left corner. Go to Customer. Click on the plus icon to add a new customer. Enter basic details like first name, last name, phone number, or email ID. Once done, click Save. Now, you'll see the option Add Card. Click on it and make a small transaction of 50 cents to save the card. That's it. The card is now securely tokenized in the system. Now, let's use the saved card for a new order. Select the category. Choose the items. Click on Add Customer and select the same customer whose card was saved. Click on Pay, then choose Saved Card. The payment is processed instantly, no physical card needed. And that's how simple it is to use tokenization with PAYS POS. Fast, secure, and customer-friendly. Think payment. Think PAYS.